With just a week left for the polls, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Bishwasarma on Sunday said that BJP will form the next government in Meghalaya, even as he maintained that the Saffron Party will never approach TMC in Meghalaya for government formation, thereby drawing a slight line between friend and foe. The Assam Chief Minister, however, sends an open invitation to Dr. Mukul Sangma to join the BJP. Sharma, the architect of the MDA coalition government in 2018, does not regret his decision of forming an alliance with the NPP, as it was the only means to keep Congress out of power. While going soft on NPP, the NEDA convener refused to make any personal comments on NPP during his pocket meeting in Shillong.
In that point of time, we need to align with NPP to see that Congress doesn't form a government. But that was that time. Now situation has then changed. BJP is standing on our own feet and we are confident of forming the government. We are not dissecting the last 5 years of government. That was the requirement of time. We did what we should have done. But now, going ahead, we want to form our own government.
2 people died on the spot